Hello, I'm going to show you now a sample of the A6 templates and the binder pack. So this is one of the binders that come in the A6 binder pack. You get two binders with this living hinge spine, and then you also get some covers that you can make into A6 binders. Inside here I've already pre-cut some of the templates for the A6, and I just wanted to go through one of them with you, which is going to be this one. So I'll just take this out of the binder and I'll pop that to one side. And then this is the template that I've used. So you can see where I've cut that out. Now, because it's cut from a 12 by 12 sheet, the A6 templates, some of them are a little bit longer than 12 by 12, so you have to have a little tab on there. So this dimension is actually 12 inches, and all I did was leave whatever was spare as the tab, and then from the same piece of paper I've cut out another piece that will fit on there. And then obviously if you use all your score lines, this is how it folds up, so you get these kind of staggered pockets like that. So what I'm going to show you next is how I put this together and how I also add other elements to it from the templates to create a full page. So first of all, what I've done, just to give it a little bit of enhancement, is I've just inked around the edges of the paper. You don't need to do this, but I just think sometimes it gives it a little something. And then all we need to do is we just need to join this piece onto that tab. Now, you don't have to have the tab as big as that. I just cut that so I use the rest of the 12 by 12. We can actually neaten it up a bit, and we can just trim it back like that. And then you can use double-sided tape, or you can use some glue, wet glue, whatever you prefer, whatever you like to work with, just to stick that down. I'm going to use a bit of double-sided tape for speed, if I can find the end of the tape. Yep. So we're just going to cut that to length, and then pop that on your tab like that. Peel off, this is where I always struggle, but we'll see. Peel off your backing, that's it. And then I'll just stick that, I want to make sure it's the same way round, yeah. I shall stick that onto there, like that. So then you have your big piece like this. And basically what happens is it all folds up to create your pocket like this. Now, you can just leave it as it is, and you can open it out and you can put in bits and pieces inside there if you wish, or you can actually seal the edges to make it into pockets. Now, you could use tape or glue, or there's no reason why, if you have a sewing machine, you can't just stitch along the edge just so it creates a pocket there, and obviously you'd need to just stitch along the bottom. But for speed, because I'm not the best sewer in the world, I'm going to just use some tape. I'll use some thin red liner tape. Again, I'll probably struggle to find the end. There it is. Better pop my glasses on for this so I can see what I'm doing. And then we're just going to run some tape down the edge there, like that. And then we just need to run some along the bottom there to the join, to the crease mark, like that. And then I'll peel that off, she says. It will come. That's one. And then it's when I wish I had long nails. There's the other, okay. And then we just fold that over and that sticks there like that. So that creates a little pocket. So if you're using it with one of the tags, for instance, that will just fit in there like that. Okay, so I'm going to glue the next pocket down, but I'm going to leave the last one because I want that to be something that opens out. So I'll just get some double-sided tape again to put on that one. So that will run down there like that. And then we'll run that piece along there like that. Okay, that one. And that one. And then that just glues over like that. So then using that same tag, you see that now has created two pockets like that. And then you've still got your opening out. So what we'll do is we'll go on to the next stage, and I'll show you the other templates that I've used to embellish this, and then how I've put it all together.